Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this viral and popular Japan chicken. Other than the name, this recipe has no ties with Japan. In a bowl, take 250 grams of clean chicken. To this, add in half a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now combine everything well. To this, add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour and a tablespoon of refined flour. Mix it and coat it well with the chicken. You can add a little bit of water or oil to help the flours coat well with the chicken. Now set it aside and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, chop 5 cloves of garlic, chop some coriander leaves and split 3 green chillies into halves. Now using a mixer grinder, make fine powder of about 12 cashews. Now heat up a frying pan. To this, add in enough oil to deep fry or shallow fry. I am going to shallow fry my chicken today. Now add in the marinated chicken pieces. Fry for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side on medium flame. Do not overcrowd the pan while frying, fry it in batches. After frying, discard the remaining oil and in the same pan add in a tablespoon of butter. Melt it in low flame. Now to this add in the finely chopped garlic. Saute this for a minute. Once the flavors of garlic are infused with the butter, add in the split green chilies and saute this as well for a minute. Now to this add in a cup of milk. You can use either raw or boiled milk. Once the milk starts boiling, turn off the flame. Add in the ground cashew powder. Stir well so that no lumps are formed. Once it's mixed well, to this add in half a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now turn the flame back onto medium and keep stirring. Keep stirring until it starts to bubble up and become creamy and starts to thicken. Now to this add in the chicken pieces. Keep mixing till the chicken is coated well with the sauce. Keep cooking this for 3 minutes on medium flame. Once the curry begins to thicken and reaches this consistency, turn off the flame, garnish it with some coriander leaves, transfer to a bowl, serve and enjoy. This recipe is curated by a restaurant in Erode and recently was viral. You can serve this as an appetizer or starter, but if you want to serve this recipe as a main dish, pair it up with some rice or parota. Hope you found this video useful. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.